He said like my brother thinks you're hot. Like that's kind of hot.
Like this one's sick. There's like a 3 bed. And I was like,
He like goes to America. He like showed up. He was like definitely high out of his mind. He thinks I would pay him to do
but I'm like looking into it. But the thing is, I can only hold 8 seats, and there's 11 people in this list.
But you're gonna pay for it like by doing that.
No.
Like add salmon and
I just want
English
it.
muffin, I think.
I think he has like mental health issues.
I kind of want to either get the Love you guys. No, it's good. I don't know. We'll see.
grilled chicken's nice.